Can you answer these general knowledge questions? Let's test your brain. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Venus. Correct answer is Mars. How many days are there in a week? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. Correct answer is 7. What color is the sun? A. Blue. B. Yellow. C. Green. Correct answer is yellow. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Elephant. Correct answer is lion. What is 5 plus 5? A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. Correct answer is 10. Which is the largest ocean? A. Atlantic. B. Indian. C. Pacific. Correct answer is Pacific. Which bird can fly? A. Ostrich. B. Penguin. C. Eagle. Correct answer is eagle. How many months are there in a year? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. Correct answer is 12. Which fruit is yellow? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Grapes. Correct answer is banana. What is the boiling point of water? A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 150 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Which animal lives in water? A. Dog. B. Fish. C. Cat. Correct answer is fish. Which is a vegetable? A. Potato. B. Mango. C. Apple. Correct answer is potato. Which shape has 3 sides? A. Square. B. Triangle. C. Circle. Correct answer is triangle. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Horse. Correct answer is cheetah. What do bees make? A. Milk. B. Honey. C. Water. Correct answer is honey. Which is a primary color? A. Red. B. Pink. C. Brown. Correct answer is red. Which season is the coldest? A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Rainy. Correct answer is winter. What do we breathe? A. Water. B. Air. C. Fire. Correct answer is air. Which planet has the most moons? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Saturn. Correct answer is Saturn. What is the smallest prime number? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. Correct answer is 2. Who invented the light bulb? A. Isaac Newton. B. Thomas Edison. C. Albert Einstein. Correct answer is Thomas Edison. Which gas do plants absorb? A. oxygen, B, carbon dioxide, C, nitrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. What is the capital of Japan? A, Osaka, B, Tokyo, C, Kyoto. Correct answer is Tokyo. Which is the longest river in the world? A, Amazon, B, Nile, C, Yangtze. Correct answer is Nile. What is the hardest natural substance? A, gold, B, iron, C, diamond. Correct answer is diamond.